Namaste everyone. In this video, we will draw the front view, the sectional front view of this component, which is shown here on the screen. And as you can see here, we have to assume the section plane exactly at the middle. And we have to do the hatching for the sectional view. And after doing the hatching, we have to find the area for which hatch has been applied. So we have to use AutoCAD 2D drafting skills for this particular problem. And since this is a practice session, we have also provided you with a 3D model for this, which you can see over here. So you can open this 3D model by going to the course. And this particular model, I think it is the second model. So you will get this. Okay. So let us just understand how this object looks like. So actually, so one thing to observe here is that the 3D model which has been given to us shows a model which has a rib kind of object that is this here. So, but when we are doing the section, this rib should not be shown. The rib should not be shown. So we have to draw the section like this, assuming that the rib doesn't exist. So when we do the section, this is the section view that we get. Right. And this is exactly the front view. Okay, so the rib should not be shown in the edge. This is how we are supposed to show it. There is one more edge coming here, and this problem is because of the software. Here, there is no visible edge actually present here. The surfaces are meeting tangentially, so that edge is not supposed to be present. So we have an option here in this software to remove that. Right. So this is what the object is going to look like. This is what the object is going to look like. And this is the hatched area that we are supposed to find for our problem. So as told earlier, we will not be given a 3D model. The 3D model is just given for practice purpose, so that in the practice sessions you actually understand what the 3D model actually looks like. In the exam, you will not be given that. You will just have to make a do with this particular diagram. So you can see the arrow is present here for the front view. So this particular view we have to draw, assuming there is a section plane exactly cutting this part at the center. So you can see that I have already solved two problems. Let me look inside and start solving the third one. So I will start drawing this object from this corner point, and this distance I have to take as 75. Let me take a line from here in horizontal direction. I have to take 75. Now at 75, we are getting the center point here, and it is going still beyond that by a radius of 30. So after this point, I will take another 30 in this direction. Then I have to go up. Thickness of this, you can see it is given as 15. Go up by 15. Then I have to come back, and the distance by which we have to come back, it's not clear. So we just take some random line. Then press escape to come out of the command. Then press L, enter again. We'll start here, this point, go up. So from here, I have to go up. What distance? Again, we don't know exactly. Just so actually the distance is 65 plus 15. So let me take 15 up first. You can see it has been cut at 15. Then again at 65 in the same direction. Remove this entire object. Now from this end, you can see the gap is 15. We'll go ahead and use offset command. O, enter, 15, enter, click on the right side. And take line command, L, enter, from this end straight. So what is this width? It is 50. So from this end, take 50, enter. Then this is an arc with center point here, exactly at the top face. And the distance that we have to go for this bottom line has to be radius of the larger circle. Diameter of the center smaller circle is 30. So radius of that will be 15. 15 plus 15 will give us total radius. So an offset of 30 will take the bottom direction. L enter, click, click. Again O enter. This time we have to take this radius, so it becomes 15. So O enter, 15 enter, click, click below. So this has created our diagram. Let us trim off unknown quantities, unnecessary quantities. So TR double enter, this, delete this. So now we have this area over here. But when we cut this at the center, section, the center, we can see it is coming exactly up to here. This is not, this does not need to be hatched. We have to find this point till where we need to do the hatching. So if we look here, from here we have a distance of 30, and from there again we have small distance, that is the radius of this arc. Diameter of that small arc is 220, so radius of that will be half of 20. Let's go ahead and do that. So O enter, 30 enter for the larger circle, and again O enter, 10 enter for the smaller circle. This is just an axis line, so you can just extend it on both the sides. Let's escape and apply the axis property. MA enter, click on axis, and MA enter, click on all these lines. They are all available. So this is our footing. Now for the hash, press H enter, use MC31, click here, enter. So this is our hatched area. Now press double A enter and double enter, and click on this to get the area. In the same area you need to select here in the program. Okay, hope you are able to do this correctly. And if you are getting this wrong, if you are getting any problems with this, you can just let us know and we'll try to resolve your problem. Okay, so there's one more small step to be done here. We have to show the rib as well. So the rib has to be shown here. The rib also is a visible edge, so the same property we have to apply. So this completes our diagram, the front view, and we have to just find the area and read it here in the question. Thank you for this. See you in the next one.